This is Brickster Station. It's also known as the meeting point. I want to call this model Brick Cross, but that is an actual name of another model in the world of Lego compatible railway models. But look at it, it's absolutely massive. It looks like a really major mainline station, and I think it's beautiful. This is originally a Lego Ideas design, but now it's a Jie Star set. I've not heard of that brand either, but they're pretty big in the world of construction bricks that are compatible with Lego, and this set is the 89154. It has 2,850 pieces and it lights up. There's a lighting kit that comes with the set, which is fantastic. Now I'm going to speed build this for you right now in a moment. I'm going to go back to the beginning and we're going to speed build this in just under a couple of minutes. This model is the centerpiece of my Lego City Railway. I've built a whole subway layout around my garden office, and I think this is going to take pride of place on one of the curves. There's a playlist in the description for all of my hidden Lego City Railway videos, and to this model I'll be adding some BlueBrixx modern platforms. I have a build video for you down in the description, and also some TrixBrix track automation. So I've got some points and signals that will be built around this station. I really enjoyed this build. It comes with a really nice book. You can probably just see it on the screen there. The printed instructions are great and really super clear. All of the pieces were there, which was a bit of a worry when you're buying something on AliExpress that isn't branded by the Danish company. But all the pieces were there and the price is absolutely fantastic for how big this model is and how impressive it is. So much detail. You can see me building the bookshop, the W.H. Smith newsagents. I'm going to call this station Camden Road when it goes onto my layout, and I'm actually going to turn it on its side so that it will act as a terminus. And there'll be one through platform down the side, but I'm going to twist the station round so that the platform that you see in this model will actually be the concourse for the platforms joining it, if that makes sense. This set took me 9 hours to build. I've seen from the video footage, I've added it up. I did it over a number of days and it was just so much fun. There's so many little interesting techniques here. I think the intricate detail of some of these rooms, I'm not even going to see them because it's just going to be on the corner of my layout. But through the windows you can see it's got a nice restaurant area, a station cafe, a little piano that anyone can play, stairs, ticket machine, and I really like the destination boards as well. I think they look really impressive and really authentic as well. It comes with some figures too, so that you can populate your station. And I'm going to just let this build run now so you can see how easily it came together over the 9 hours. If you like videos like this, feel free to put a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button, because my videos on my Lego builds just get no views whatsoever. So I do appreciate you watching along, and say hi in the comments. It'd be great to hear from you. But I'll just be quiet now and let the building continue.